Hey, welcome back to another video from BMR Parts and Marine located in Burnsville, Minnesota. Got another freshwater engine here today. This one is a 1997 40 horse Mercury 2-stroke. This one, let's see here, came back compression 140 psi on all 3 cylinders. Lower unit pressure tested good. It'll come with the aluminum prop that is on it. New spark plugs, new impeller, new fuel filter, new lower unit lube, and the carburetors were rebuilt. We'll go ahead and get this one fired up here. Got to turn the fan on first. Give it a minute here. Let it warm up. Pumping good water. Go ahead and put it forward. Does cavitate a little bit in the tank. Not much we can do about that. Reverse. Back to neutral. Go ahead and shut it off. Fire it back up. If you're interested in it, you can give us a call at 952-894-4888, or you can email sales@bmr1.com. Thank you and have a great day.